State after state in India is going saffron, and today the BJP has become the single largest party in the Rajya Sabha, overtaking the Congress. The NDA doesn't have a majority yet, but they're not far from that.
Sampatia Ulke has made history. The new MP from Madhya Pradesh has ended the Congress's 65-year run as the Rajya Sabha's biggest party. Ulke makes the BJP the single largest party in the upper house for the first time. But the NDA is still 43 away from a majority. The Congress was to remain the single largest party till 2018. But with two of its members dying, it has lost its single largest status.
Well, I think it's a natural consequence of the fact that our support base across the country has increased. And therefore, we are in power in most states. And since the Rajya Sabha is the Council of States, the strength of the BJP in the states has to be reflected in the Rajya Sabha itself. And I'm sure with each biennial election, our strength in near future in Rajya Sabha will continue to increase.
This is the beginning. We will have more members soon. As soon as our representation in states will increase, in coming 2 or 4 years maximum, BJP will have the largest majority.
Well, obviously, with the kind of mandate they have in the states now, obviously this was expected.
In a house of 245, the BJP hopes to slowly gain control with the support of NDA partners and friendly parties. With this majority, the BJP plans to leverage it for passing bills which require a simple majority. And with the help of friendly parties like the BJD and the AIADMK.
We will even work with the opposition for a larger consensus. Most bills in Parliament are passed with a consensus, not with a vote.
They should continue to respect democracy and make sure that, it's a council of states. The sentiments and the rights of states should be protected.
But the government wasn't able to pass a constitutional amendment this week. Clearly, the government will have to work with other parties to build a consensus and not a mere show of numbers if it wants to get a constitutional amendment through in the Rajya Sabha. With camera person N. Suresh Kumar, Sunil Prabhu, NDTV.